Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited for today's video because we are gonna learn a very handy skill for managing your business's finances effectively, which is how to edit invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you're passionate about QuickBooks, then you've come to the right place. So hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials and tips and keeps you in the loop for future. We've got a growing community, so we would like to make a shout out for individuals who continuously support and relentlessly share our content. Now, editing invoices in QuickBooks is really easy and it offers several advantages for businesses, including, correcting errors. And because let's say you've made mistakes on an invoice, such as like typo or incorrect pricing, QBO allows you to quickly and easily correct these errors, ensuring accuracy in your financial records. You can also, have you can tailor invoices to match your brand's look and feel by adding your logo, choosing colors, and customizing templates. This professionalism alone can help strengthen your brand image. You also have the flexibility, better customer communication, because when you edit invoices, it allows you to personalize messages or notes to your clients, improving communication and clarity regarding the transaction. Now, depends on the version that you're using, but here you can go to where it says sales and check on invoices. If you have an existing customer, you can just always go to the lower right hand corner here where it says view and edit. Click that and we will be directed to this account. You can easily, customize all the information here, such as the billing address, the terms, due and receipt, the invoice date, and the duration of the invoice, and the email address. You have to be very careful. You have to double check if the email address is correct. And then the products and services. All of these are customizable. So you can check or add a new term for your products or service, the description as well. You can also do that. Even the amount and what the quantity, of course, it's all customizable. And the good thing is you can also personalize the message, depends on the note that you wanted to, the intention of this invoice. And you can also attach supplemental information, but be mindful that they only allow 20 MB. And after that, save and send. And once again, if you find this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching on the tutorial about editing invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, guys, or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, take care, guys, and happy bookkeeping.